FFSA. Yeah, hello customers. Eye Jumo Kumasi KOTWI and me will have a memo update. Oh, here. Bravo, senior friend Isaac. Isaac what? Sisi Mudi. Isaac what? Sisi Mudi. Oh, here. Yeah. Isaac what? Sisi Mudi. You ever call Bia? Obenya get back ho. Isaac, how are you get wa? Okay. Yeah, so this is a natural stone that from Takwa, you see. Yeah, so these are the Takwa stone that we are able to cut them in these sizes, you see. You see, and in these sizes, as you can see. You see. Yeah, so we call this one special shell stones, you see. We call this stone special shell stones. If you want to buy these stones already from a shop, it can cost you almost like 8,000 Ghana cedi to 9,000 Ghana to buy this stone from shop, because this one will not be off cutting. But if you buy the flat stones and you cut in your location, it is so beneficial. You understand me? It is so beneficial. Yeah, so I'm here to talk about the work, how far the work go, and how beautiful the work are. Right now it is almost 6 o'clock here, so my camera will not be that beautiful as a daytime, but I beg you manage this one, you see, because a natural stones is a genuine design in the system, you see, a new modern design in the system, whereby when you lay on your building, it will make the building look so beautiful and so marvelous in the natural way, you see. But as for this my customer, he said, oh Steven, I want you to put only the gray stone for the side for me, and later now you mix the colors to lay for the boss, you see, that boss for me. And I saw boss, your idea is so beautiful, and I will respect your idea and do the same thing for you, so that when you are back from abroad, you will love it. You understand me? You will love it. The customer believe in us, give us the stone material money, even in all the payment of the workmanship for us to just do a job for him. You understand me? And we are complete to one place, you see. We are complete here, so we are going to this place. And one thing about a natural stone, we say natural stone work is a patience work, you see. Sometimes your job may need only like some 2 people or 1 people to do the whole job for you. Sometimes the work need like a lot of people. So if you have a vision to lay a natural stone on your building, kindly be ahead of yourself, because if you know that you are going to use your building in next year, kindly start design your building this year, so that before next year everything will be prepared. You understand me? Because this work is a patience work that you have to take your time and put the stones one by one, one by one. Once you are done, you get it perfect on your building, you see. So that be, if you see here, you see, if you see this place, you are trying to put the red one for one side, because we don't need them right now, you see. We need only the pure gray one out of it. So that way you are selecting inside, you see, you are selecting inside of this stone, so that you can put only the gray one on the side. After you are done, before you go to the back, the side and side view, by facing the red one and the green one on the box, you see. Just look at how the stones is looking, you see, so nice and beautiful, you see. When you look at this place, you see, this one will be the red one. Here plenty, you see. You are not using these stones a day, you will use them in the future for you, you see. So nice and beautiful. Wow. So our service is available in Accra, in Kumasi, Sunyani, Brekum, wherever it is. You see, because wherever the money day, you follow up. You see, so nice and beautiful. And what you see right now is not the finish, This one we no wash them yet. It be installation process, you see. And we know that even about the building, once you finish your design, the message to them come and plaster. So once you finish, you go. When the mess people they come and plaster, then paint the house before you come again and wash them. So that when you wash them once and it's forever. You see, so nice and beautiful. So the stones all we see here, all these stones here, you see, all these stones here, and the one that you are laying be is a 10 truck, you see. So we have supply. So you have supplied the flat one 10 to this customer location, which is 30,000 Ghana cedis. Because 1 cost this customer 3,000 Ghana cedis. So the 10 is 30,000 Ghana cedis. Before the stone cutters take 15,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1 for 1,500 Ghana cedis. So 1,005 Ghana cedis times 10 will give you 15,000 Ghana cedis for the stone material. So the cutting and the stones cost this customer 45,000 Ghana cedis. Is a Ghana cedi place. 45,000 Ghana cedis for the stones and the cutting. You understand me? Now the material you have for here plenty. So that be what you are going to use to beautify the house for this customer, you see. Because if you build your house in Ghana here and we don't lay stones, the house is not going to look attractive. That be why you have to involve a natural stones on your building so that it make the house look beautiful, you see. I always saying that building your house is not only in Accra, you see. Here is a Kumasi, you see. Kumasi Kochi. You see the area, you see. You see. But the customer was able to raise a nice building here, you see. Was able to raise a nice building here, you understand me? That the design is going on. One day you may think like the building they Accra. Oh no, this building they Kumasi Kochi. Once you involve saving, you involve a good designer. You don't need to be here before we do a nice job for you. Whether you are outside the country, you are not there, we will surely take an attempt and do a very beautiful job for you on how you see them in your camera. You see, so beautiful. So you are going to lay the stone also on this portion also. You see, from down to top. You see, like this. You see, and this box, you see, and there's also one in other places also, so that everything makes uniform. You understand me? Everything makes uniform. So kindly give us a call wherever it is. We do a good job across the country, as you can see. You see, so nice and beautiful. You see, the name is Stepping Stone Design. Yeah, so just give us a call wherever it is. You come and do a beautiful work for you on how we see them right now. The name is Stepping Stone Design. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a follower to see every video that will be posted. Bye bye. Wow. If you never say FO, F, nti frɛ ne bɛbɛ adwuma pa ma wo. Yɛ obiara, yɛbɛba. Bye bye.